Welcome to Sarasas Wited Suratani School. Hello students, once again here is teacher Ninette, and today I will be teaching Science Grade 3. Today's topic is about electricity from the mains and battery. Okay, can we read one more time? Electricity from the mains and battery. Before we proceed to our lesson, let us read first our vocabulary words. Okay, let us read together. Socket. Again, socket. The next word is device. One more time, device. Next is save. Again, please, save. Next word, plug. One more time, plug. And power. One more time, please, power. And this time, we are going to spell the word correctly. Okay, let's spell the word socket. Socket. S-O-C-K-E-T. Socket. Now let's spell the word device. Device. D-E-V-I-C-E. Device. Next word is save. Save. S-A-V-E. Save. Next is power. Power. Let's spell the word power. P-O-W-E-R. Power. And the last one is plug. Plug. Okay, let's spell the word plug. P-L-U-G. Plug. Good job, students. Let's have first our review for the past lesson. Okay, so what is electricity? Okay, what is your answer? Alright, electricity is used to power many things in our homes. Okay, one more time, please. Electricity is used to power many things in our homes. Now, can you give some example of devices in our homes that use electricity to work? Okay, so you have television. Very good. Next. All right. Light. Okay, what else? Very good. This is refrigerator or fridge. Fridge. Okay, one more. And computer. Very good. And this time, let's talk about electricity from the mains. Can you read one more time? Electricity from the mains. Okay, electricity from power station comes in the mains. Okay, one more time. Electricity from power station comes in the mains. Okay, please remember that anything which plugs into a wall socket, they uses main electricity. Okay, can you read one more time? Anything which plugs into a wall socket uses main electricity. Okay, so this one is the example of socket. So we use main electricity from this. Okay, so I will show you some example of devices from electricity from the main. Example is washing machine. Can you read one more time? Washing machine. Next, electric kettle. Electric kettle. Television. Television. Refrigerator, or we call this fridge. Refrigerator or fridge. Electric fan or fan. Electric fan or fan. And computer. Computer. So these are electricity from the mains. Alright, did you know that electricity is expensive? So we must save it. Can you read one more time, please? Electricity is expensive. We must save it. So here is an example of electric bill. Electric bill. Okay, so we have to pay electric bill at the end of the month. The more we use, the more we pay. Okay, can we read together? We have to pay electric bill at the end of the month. The more we use, the more we pay. How about electricity from batteries? Okay, could we get electricity from batteries? Yes, of course. So let us find out. Some toys and smaller electrical devices are powered by batteries. Okay, can you read one more time? Some toys and smaller electrical devices are powered by batteries. Okay, so here are the example of different batteries. But we don't plug them in and we can carry them with us. Okay, so the good thing is we don't plug them in and we can carry them with us everywhere we go. Okay, so these are some examples of electricity from batteries. One thing is, electricity from batteries may eventually run down, so they need to be replaced or recharged. Okay, can you read one more time, please? Electricity from batteries may eventually run down, so they need to be replaced or recharged. Okay, so have a look at this picture. These are some examples of electricity from batteries. Again, electricity from batteries. So in our activity, you are going to identify if it is powered by main or powered by batteries. Okay, you are going to identify if it is powered by main or powered by batteries. Are you ready? Okay, so look at the first picture. Is it from main or battery? So we call this remote. The answer is battery. Very good. Next is computer. Okay, is it from main or from battery? Now, what is your answer? It is from main. Very good. Okay, next. Is it from main or battery? What do you call this one? This is oven. Now, let me see your answer. It is from the main. Very good. Okay, is it from the main or battery? How do you call this one? We call this flashlight. Okay, what is your answer? It is from battery. Very good. Okay, it is from main or battery. This is what we call camera. Camera. Okay, what is your answer? It is from battery. Very good. Okay, next, is it from main or battery? This is what we call iron. Okay, the answer is from the main. Very good. And this is the last one. Is it from main or battery? Okay, this is the mouse of your computer. Okay, so this is from battery. Well done, students. Okay, students, thank you for watching and joining us here in our video. Until next time, and bye-bye.